Things I would do differently with my money as a teen. Number 1, I would set up a savings account and schedule automatic payments to it per paycheck. So if on average bi-weekly I was making $300 to $500, I would put away at least $50 to $100. If you want to start small though, you could save 10 to 20% of your income instead. Number 2, if you're a Canadian citizen, I would set up an RESP account. In case you don't know, it stands for Registered Education Savings Plan, and I believe the US equivalent of this is the 529 plan. What's great about it is that it earns interest, you can sometimes get scholarships through this program, or they will match how much money you have in it by a certain deadline. And the best part of it all is that when you withdraw this money for secondary education, it isn't taxed. I would put half of my monthly earnings towards this for all 4 years of high school. Number 3, I wouldn't buy takeout as often. In high school, I used to go out for lunch every day because it was lame to eat in the cafeteria. But looking back, I should have put the food I wanted on the grocery list, packed a lunch the night before, and simply just found other places to eat, like the library or outside on a nice day. Number 4 is to stop impulse buying. As a young person with newfound financial independence, it's easy to buy something you see and like simply because you have the money, but instead implement a cooling system. This is where you give yourself 1 to 2 days to think about how much you really want this product. Usually you won't feel the need to go back and get it, but if you do, at least you won't regret it because you've taken the time to think about it. Number 5, be aware of student discounts in your area. I know in Canada we have an SPC card that gives you access to so many student discounts, but even without the card, you can simply search online which places offer student discounts with proof of ID. And finally, number 6, you will spend money for entertainment at one point or another. So when you do, I suggest you spend it on experiences rather than objects. You'll get rid of your clothes eventually, or wear out your new sneakers, but you will always have good memories at concerts or events with friends. Now you may not follow all of these tips, but I hope if anything that you found one that was useful for you. I don't know you personally, but I know one thing for sure. If you start saving early on, your future self will thank you. Thanks for sticking around to the end. Please leave a like and subscribe for more things I would do differently if I was young again.